Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Today we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM base box, okay? I'm excited to say this one came in a lot better condition than the last one, but nonetheless, for those of you who are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, I will leave all the information down below so that if you would like to try it out for yourself, all the information will be right at your fingers. So as we open up our box so we can see what's inside, once again, our theme for this month is Super Bloom. And on the other side of this card, it gives us a description of everything that is inside of the box. So the first item that I have is by Skin Inc. Okay, and it's this one right here, and this is the Serum Glow Filter. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup Serum Glow Filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with a rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $50. This is a 1 fluid ounce size, and it is, well, it has minimal information here. It does say it acts as a makeup base to smooth and even skin tone while helping provide brightening and anti-aging benefits. Now, it has a 6-month shelf life. So this is one of those products you do not open until you are ready to use them. But let me tell you this packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. If this product works as good as this packaging looks, this is going to be a must-have for every day. It's got all those little reflective beads in it. Okay. All right. Well, this is item number 1. I can't wait. I'm excited to try that, and I will let you know when we do, okay? So then moving right along, the next item that we have is the one I already have and have already shown to you, so we're not going to really go into a whole lot of details. I'll link the video above just in case you want some extra information, but I will tell you this is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream by Berkey. And let me remind you of what I'm talking about. Do you remember me saying something to you about the fact that you had this big old box and this little product? Let me get mine. This is the one that I had before. I don't want to necessarily open up this one. Who knows, it may end up as a gift, okay? This is the Essential Radiance. It's the same one, okay? And I said all of this big old box with this little bitty product in it. Do you remember that? Okay, so nonetheless, that's what the item is that, as you can tell, that I received again. Okay, so moving right along, the next item that we have is by ITEM Beauty, and that is by Addison Rae. And this is the Air Hug Concealer. And it says, when you need to course correct This medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features Carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $18, okay? Now, this is a 0.36 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life. It is animal test free, vegan, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist tested. All right, and the shade that I have is number 310. Can you see that okay? Well, we're going to open it because it does have a 12-month shelf life. So I love this packaging for Item Beauty because it's tamper resistant. Trust me, you know if it's been opened. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Let's just swatch it and see what this shade is like. Okay. Now I will tell you, it did go on kind of thick. Here we go. All right. So this is one of those that we can wear to really brighten the under eye. Okay, so that's the next item. Then, let's see, we have V Cosmetic, and this is the Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. Okay. And it says, unlike any other lip color you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the, in all caps, product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $22, and this is a new brand to Boxy, okay? This one is a 0.21 ounce size, and it's not giving me a shelf life just yet. Maybe it's on the inner packaging. So let's just check and see. Oh, that's pretty. This is kind of like the shade I have on, which is running out badly. The shade that I have is called Bubbly, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Let's see how close to what I have on this is. How about that? Before I blend them together. It's just a little pinker than the shade that I have on, but I like it and it feels nice too. It definitely feels nice. Yes, 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 I like it. Okay, then there is the last item in here, and this will go very well with a product that I received in my Ipsy for last month. And this is by the company Yensa. And this is the Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. This Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives you a full coverage but skin-like finish. Multi-purpose and reusable with a gentle wash after a use. Gentle on the skin, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. I like this. Okay, I did open it up all the way. It does have the Yensa symbol as well as the name. I love the edger. I love the pointer so that you can get into the corner. So I'm just going to take it. I'm not going to wet it. I just want to see how it does with the concealer. Nice. Oh, wow. What you think? And I'll have you know that the product looks as if it's just laying on the top. Let's pull it all the way down. Yes, it kind of looks as if it's just laying on the top of the sponge. Y'all know this is hard for me to do, show you something dirty here, but it's just so we could test it out. So I do like the way it blended it with no streaks. Okay, see? So I do like this. I do like this. Now, you know what? I never saw this before. Inside the box, okay, right here, it says the meaning of yin. In Chinese, it means color and face. In English, it means deep desire and passion. In Vietnamese, it means calm and peaceful. And in Japanese, it means currency. Okay, well, I got to put this to the side so I can go wash it, and I'll let you know how that worked out as well. Okay, so what do I think of this box? Well, let me just say, I have a challenge, and the challenge is, okay, the contents of this box would be $98, which isn't bad, okay? But so that they could really bump the price up, this right here, $116 by itself. Why? So they could boost the amount of value for this box. That did not make me happy at all. That did not make me happy. I like all the other products that I received. We got skincare again. We have a tool. We have a lippy and concealer. I do like this one. And then this. So, I don't know. What do you think? Am I getting to the point where I've been with BoxyCharm too long? Because I seem to get, you know, this right here, it was a little bothersome. Now, the premium box this month, there was nothing in there that was a duplicate for me. But this right here, I have to get past it. So, but nonetheless. So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm base box for the month of May. And these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that were included. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.